This pit bike was trashed and ready for the dump, so let's save it with this 125cc big bore. Let's get all the old junk parts off and get the frame prepped for the new engine. Out comes the old engine, wiring harness, and battery box, and let's clean the frame while we're at it. Nothing fancy, just wiping it down. Let's go ahead and get the chassis onto the engine and get the engine mounting bolts tightened up. Let's get the throttle assembly installed and give it a test fire. Sounds good to me, so let's install the tank, cut the chain to length, and get the chain installed. And yes, I'm using all thread as an axle, it works. And yes, I'm gonna cut it. Let's install the master link, cut that all thread, and take it for a spin. I got a brand new set of white plastics from eBay. They were only $19.99 ship. Let's get those installed. I don't know how long these are gonna look good for, but right now, they look good. It's all together now, so let's fire it up, make some fine-tune adjustments, and take it for a spin. The white is just way too bland, so let's sticker bomb it. I'm going to pull all these off, get them nice and clean and dry, and we'll start sticker bombing. I found these on eBay for like $6. It comes with a wide variety of stickers, all different shapes and sizes. I thought it'd be pretty unique. So let's start sticker bombing. There's no wrong way to sticker bomb. There's no technique to sticker bomb either. You basically just put a sticker anywhere to fit. Stickers over top of stickers, anywhere to go. This is what it looks like all finished up. It looks pretty good, I guess. Question mark. Let me know if you think it looks good or not. Let's go ahead and install these and see the finished product. Here it is all finished up. Looks pretty decent, I guess, considering what it looked like before. I also got a clear plastic stator cover to put on it. I think it looks pretty trick. Well, that's the end of this one. I hope y'all enjoyed. Dirt and Burton out, y'all.